starts with a look, like a curse on a cage. Her soul drips desire, sweet poison on her tongue. In her twisted mind, there's a song left unsung. Don't you think, don't you pray? When she smiles, you're the game she plays. Silver words, such a gentle snare. One step closer to the devil's chair. Hey! In a twisted mind, she stokes the fire of a phoenix rising higher, higher. You pray in the devil's lair tonight. If you follow home, you might not see the sun arise on what you used to be. Close your eyes, she's burning through your sky. Velvet on her skin, but her gaze is a knife. She will pull you in, promise you a life. Footsteps on the stairs, heartbeats in a line. Every whispered dare is a warning sign. Don't you think, don't you pray? Once you taste, you can't run away. Sugar lips, but the truth is bare. Every kiss is just a silent dare. In a twisted mind, she stokes the fire of a phoenix rising higher, higher. You pray in the devil's lair tonight. If you